Who's going to be back? We're Spartan Monkeys right now.
Hello, people that watch our videos. We wanted to put our warning at the end of the video and say, we try to ask you not to try this. We, would prefer you, basically a warning. I mean, because that's pretty dangerous. And yeah, I hope y'all like it. It's the best we could do so far. We're coming up. We have a lot of different stuff on ideas. It's on the list. There's going to be more better. And hopefully graphics will be 10 times better. And as you can see, we worked on our brightening in our videos. Now we've been working on it. And yeah, if you could please subscribe and put a comment in our video. Oh yeah, and we have a comment question of the day for you. The answer. Now, if you found $1 in the street, what would you do with it?